Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by working on a cool, shaded panel and removing surface dirt. This prevents scratches. Once done, use a microfiber and soapy water, then dry. Now test. Apply a bit of isopropyl or detailing spray to a discrete spot and rub gently with a clay bar or microfiber to check for paint compatibility. If paint softens or lifts, stop and reassess. Make sure to have fresh towels and a separate container of water to rinse the clay as you go. Now you focus on removing the transfer without harming clear coat. Start with a clay bar plus lubricant. Glide it with light pressure until the surface feels smooth. Once particulate is gone, move to a rubbing compound for persistent marks. Apply sparingly with a foam applicator or dual-action polisher at low speed. Make short, overlapping passes and inspect frequently. If you see haze, stop and wipe with a clean microfiber. Remember, less pressure and slower movements preserve. Finish by polishing to restore shine and remove minor micro-marring. You should use a fine finishing polish and buff with a clean microfiber or low-speed polisher until the gloss matches surrounding panels. Then protect the area with wax or a paint sealant to lock in protection. If you notice clear coat missing, deep scratches, or color removed, stop and get professional advice. Attempting aggressive sanding or compound will worsen it. A key tip: if residue won't lift, switch to a less abrasive method rather than increasing pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.